End of the regatta, everybody's loading up the boats per the charter agreement. And you guys are on which part of the assembly line or disassembly line?
We're doing the dollies. Yeah, we're trying to take apart the dollies, and we're about to time how fast we can do it.
Yeah, we can do it pretty fast.
Next dolly.
How fast do you think you can do it?
50 seconds, maybe?
Maybe better.
We can do it pretty fast.
We're
gonna time it.
So how do you attack it? What's the best method?
We just have a bunch of different people doing different things at the same time.
And then we put them in those piles right there.
Yeah. It's pretty exciting.
I'm excited.
Alright. Once they flip the boat over, we like pull it over here.
And then the timer. Red line. Oh wait, it's not being timed. Here we go. Okay, ready? Go!
You guys should be at NASCAR pit stop. Yeah. Dolly.
Wait.
You guys?
Come on. 2 seconds off, guys.
We over there.
Hurry up.
Done.
Okay, wait. Stop. 27 seconds!
Wait, really 27?
Yes!
We did it. The pit crew is
Katie Hall.
Caitlin Canoni.
Austin Sandberg.
Yuki Yoshiyasu.
Jason Raymond.
Allison Autry.
Alexander Judd.
Is that it? Anybody else?
Yeah.
All right. Second attempt here. Chance at the record. Time starts when the dolly crosses the red line.
Go!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Go, wheel!
We're already at 10 seconds.
15.
Come on.
Spin.
Good.
Go!
Done.
29.
Oh.